Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. We will be doing a Minecraft storybook today. I had this set laying around, so we're going to use some of the characters for this set. We'll start with opening up these bags. I love opening up new sets, it's so much fun. There we are. Oh, look, a little fox, how cute. We'll start with Steve. I can't find Steve's head. Where's his head? Okay, we will go with the skeleton then. His legs and his arms. Oh my goodness, I can't pick up these little fiddly bits. Another arm. Oh, and a leg. There's the leg. And his bow and arrow. And it's not going on. Come on, reattach, reattach. Finally put it on. Phew! Let's attempt Steve again. His head, his pants. Oh wow, he's got a gold sword. Dun 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 dun! Steve! I'll tidy up the desk and pop everything aside. We're going to start on Mr. Wolf. We'll start with his body. Put the wolf's legs on now. And pop his head on and his tail. Look at him, he's so cute. Mr. Grey Wolf. Now we will be doing the cute little orange fox. Once again, it's easier to start with the body and the little legs. He's looking good. I'm going to pop his little tail on in a second. Looks like a big bushy tail. There we are. Oh, your little face, it's so cute. This is the spare storybook set that I have, and I thought it would go great for a Minecraft book. Nice yellow colour and some green grass inside. We will start with the centre of the book, and I was thinking maybe doing a cave as I have these spare parts on hand. I thought I'll put some lava on the side too, just to give it a bit of extra colour. I'll put some of these tiles on top so it's easy to remove items that you pop on there. And I'll pop a torch on here. Next we'll stick some diamonds into the cave. Pop it on in there. And a big spider's web to hide it. And some slime, some gooey slime. I'll finish off the lava here at the front. I think we will put a veggie garden here. We'll put some brown tiles here with studs for the soil, and we'll pop some veggies in here. And we'll put the furnace over here as well, as we are limited on room. Put a grey plate here. This can be for the bedroom. There's a little bed here. It'll fit nicely here. And the crafting table. We can put a mini waterfall here in the corner. We'll be making a little hill to put in the corner. And a little seesaw contraption. You'll see what it'll be used for in a second. Pop a brown tile here, a sand green plate, some more bricks. It's like stone. Flower bed with a little flower, make the place look pretty, and a little mushroom. And TNT, I'm dynamite, for any of you AC/DC fans out there. Here comes Mr. Fox, he's inside. Nice flower plant that came with that other set. Skeleton. Oh, I forgot his fire. Hang on, I've got to pop that in there. Yep, that looks good. I like that piece. Steve with your gold sword. There we are. And Mr. Wolf. Here comes the creeper, he's creeping in. And I think we're going to try out this. Bing! TNT went off. Show you now how to close the book. So we need to move a few parts aside. Let's see if this works. Pop them all in there. So you can take this set with you on the go. Yep, it will close. Gotta rejig a few things. All right, let's try this again. Move the fire. Okay, pop the crafting box up here. Try this side. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Steve in there. No, torch in there too. Fox, skeleton, in you go. All your toys. Everyone has to get along inside the book. Okay. It closed, yay! Now we need some sign at the front of the book so we know it's Minecraft. Here we go, I made one. I just cut out the cardboard that was on the Lego box and printed out the Minecraft name. There we go, pop it on. Nice. And there's your Minecraft storybook set with everything falling out of it. So now you just have to pop everything back into place and you can play. I used whatever parts I had lying around and just used some of the figurines. You can use whatever figurines you like. And I've come to have a look. I like that big spider's web and Mr. Wolf. You're looking good. What's happening here? What am I being set up for? Ah! You missed me! Here is the finished Lego Minecraft storybook. This was a fun build and you can make one too. Thanks for watching.